Number 1. 1999 Dodge Ram 2500, price $7,950. This truck is equipped with a reliable 5.9L 24-valve diesel engine and an automatic transmission. The truck has 199,000 original miles and features a white exterior paired with a clean gray interior. It runs and drives well, offers cold air conditioning, and has a dashboard that remains in good condition. The interior has been kept clean, and the vehicle benefits from a newer steering box. The engine shows no signs of blow-by, reflecting solid overall performance for its age. As a diesel-powered heavy-duty pickup, it remains a practical option for towing, hauling, or daily use. The truck does have a few known issues, including a power steering fluid leak from the return line and a faulty crankshaft position sensor, both of which should be addressed by the next owner. Overall, this Dodge Ram 2500 presents a strong combination of durability, functionality, and classic diesel power. Number 2. 1999 Ford F250, price $6,000, equipped with an automatic transmission, power windows, power door locks, power brakes, a trailer brake controller, and a 6 feet 8 inches bed. It is well suited for both towing and hauling duties. The truck currently shows 269,000 miles on the odometer. The owner purchased the truck in October 2021 to assist with a major home remodeling project after retirement. Since then, it has proven to be a reliable workhorse, successfully hauling heavy loads of equipment, rock, and masonry materials with ease. The truck runs strong and shifts smoothly. It is fitted with Toyo Open Country Load Range E tires in very good condition, and the brakes have more than 50% pad life remaining. Both the air conditioning and heating systems operate properly. Under the hood, the truck remains largely stock and still retains a functioning EBP valve system. Number 3. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $8,500, powered by the desirable 5.9L Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable Ford WD drivetrain. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck has only 113,500 miles and remains in remarkably well-preserved condition. The vehicle appears to have been garage-kept for most of its life, as evidenced by its exceptionally clean body and rust-free condition. It runs and drives great, making it suitable as a reliable daily driver. The air conditioning is fully functional, providing added comfort for everyday use. Additional upgrades include a modern aftermarket radio featuring Apple CarPlay and Google Maps integration, blending classic truck styling with modern convenience. The truck is equipped with good tires and has been well maintained throughout its ownership. Number 4. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,000. This truck is equipped with a reliable 5.2L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. The truck has approximately 150,000 miles and features a black exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. The current owner no longer has the time to continue working on the vehicle and is offering it for sale. The transmission is currently slipping and may require attention, but overall the truck remains in good condition and has received several recent upgrades and repairs. It comes with a push-to-start system, a 15-inch subwoofer with an amplifier, a brand new windshield, brand new headlights, and a freshly repainted front end. The air conditioning system was recently repaired and blows exceptionally cold. Number 5. 2000 Toyota Tundra, price $8,000, dependable and well cared for pickup that showcases Toyota's reputation for long-lasting reliability. With only 136,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been driven relatively lightly for its age and still has plenty of life remaining. It is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline-fueled V8 engine that delivers strong performance for daily driving, towing, or work-related tasks. Finished in a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior, the truck presents itself well both inside and out. According to the owner, it runs and drives great, has been properly maintained, and remains in clean condition throughout. Modern convenience features include an upgraded Bluetooth stereo system and a backup camera, adding comfort and functionality to this classic full-size pickup. Number 6. 2001 Ford F250, price $3,900. This truck is a well-equipped 4x4 pickup powered by a 5.4L V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in blue with a gray interior, it has accumulated 244,000 miles and runs on gasoline. Despite its mileage, the truck runs and drives great, offering dependable performance both on and off the road. The vehicle comes loaded with desirable features, including a power-adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel-mounted controls, heated seats, premium audio system, adjustable pedals, cruise control, and a tonneau cover for added cargo protection and convenience. Combining capability, comfort, and practicality, this F-150 remains a solid choice for anyone seeking a versatile full-size pickup truck. Number 7. 1999 Ford F250, price $6,500, features the legendary 7.3L Power-stroke diesel engine, an automatic transmission, 222,000 miles, a blue exterior, and a charcoal interior. The truck runs, shifts, and drives great, starts reliably every time, and is in solid mechanical condition with no blow-by. Recent maintenance includes a fresh oil change, new fuel filter, newer brakes, and newer tires. Upgrades include LED headlights, LED fog lights, super bright LED reverse lights, a newer radio, and a 10-inch subwoofer. A TS6 tuner installed by the previous owner is included and has been operated on the 40 HP daily driver setting without issues. Well maintained and ready to drive, this F250 needs nothing and remains a dependable diesel truck for work or everyday use. Number 8. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, equipped with the reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. This truck has accumulated approximately 200,000 miles and is being offered by its second owner, who has maintained it well over the years. Finished in black exterior paint with a red interior, it presents as a solid, well-cared-for classic pickup. The truck recently received a new transmission and new tires, contributing to its strong driving performance. It runs and drives very well, with the four-wheel drive system functioning properly. The heater and air conditioning both work excellently, and all lights and gauges are fully operational. While the clear coat is peeling in some areas of the paint, the body remains remarkably solid with absolutely no rust present. Number 9. 1989 Ford F-150, price $6,500. This truck is powered by a reliable 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck has 133,000 miles on the odometer and is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. It runs on gasoline and offers the classic styling and dependable performance that make these F-Series trucks highly sought after. The vehicle has benefited from numerous recent maintenance and replacement items, including a new battery, spark plugs and wires, EGR valve, rear brake hardware, brake lines, master cylinder, fuel pumps, fuel filter, a seat compressor, oil pan gasket, and a fresh oil change. Additional updates include new windshield wipers and tires, helping ensure the truck is ready for reliable everyday driving. Number 10. 1999 Chevrolet S10, price $3,500, powered by a reliable 2.2L inline-4 gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has approximately 151,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior with a matching black interior. The current owner has invested in several new parts, including a new clutch, flywheel, starter, clutch slave cylinder, and a set of new tires mounted on upgraded wheels. The brakes also appear to have been replaced relatively recently and are in good condition. Overall, the truck runs and drives well. The tailgate can be a bit finicky at times, and the front grille is cracked and damaged, but these are primarily cosmetic issues.